We've just come to see what you were doing. Someone reported that you were going to fly a drone over their business, so we just wanted to check.
You're not allowed to fly a drone.
What? A simple drone flight turns into a full-blown legal standoff. And wait until you hear what the head of security says about the law. Spoiler, he might want to Google it after this encounter. Let's roll it. Intro in.
I'll just change my battery and grab a sarnie. Hello.
To check what you were doing, that was all.
Oh, hello.
Notice that tone? Straight in with authority. No warning, no conversation. But here's the thing. Does this officer actually know the law, or is this just another case of say it with confidence, hope it sounds true? Keep watching.
Hello. We've just come to check what you were doing.
What, here?
For...
Hello.
Hello, you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. What are you doing?
We've just come to see what you were doing. Someone reported that you were going to fly a drone over their business, so we just wanted to check.
Why? I'm allowed?
Yeah, we didn't say you weren't, we just wanted to check, that's all.
Check what?
What was going on.
Oh, what? Oh no, what I'm doing,
Yeah.
I go round doing videos
Okay.
and do a narrative and do some drone footage.
Oh, okay.
And I've got some cameras and zoom cameras and I set them all up. That's what I'm sort of in the process now.
Okay.
But I do let them know sometimes. I say, look, just to let you know, I'm out there on the public road.
Yeah. Is that what you did with the people down there?
Who's that?
The other company.
The other company, I can't remember what it's called now.
The one on.
As long as you check with these, I'm sure it won't be a problem.
But sometimes I like knock. I don't like to go in. But if it sort of looks easy access to knock on the door and let them know, then I will. But sometimes if it's a factory, there's no sort of reception available.
Yeah.
So you recording me?
Yeah.
Yeah, only
we have to.
For you and for us.
You should have told me.
Are you recording us?
Yeah.
Did you tell me?
I don't have to, do I?
Or if we have to tell you, you have to tell us. You're not in trouble. We just wanted to check what you were doing. That's all.
Yeah. But you should tell me.
Are you going to record over these people?
Who? Well, I was just here having my sandwiches actually.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
I was just going to get a sandwich out because it's
Quick legal point here. In the UK, both parties can record in public if there's no reasonable expectation of privacy. The officers don't actually need to warn him, but watch how they expect the opposite from him. Double standards?
getting sort of early lunch. And how comes you're driving a car though?
Why am I driving a car?
Yeah, PCSOs.
We're allowed to drive cars.
Do they let you drive? Really?
Yeah.
That's unusual, isn't it?
No.
Not really. Not around here anyway.
Oh, in London they don't allow PCSOs
Yeah,
to
but you
drive
can
the car.
walk. You can walk easier to places in London, I guess. We've got way too big of a patch.
Have you?
Yeah.
Massive patches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right then. Have you got a drone? It's fine if you do.
Yeah.
Have you got a license to fly it?
Don't need a licence.
Well, it depends on what weight and height and size it is.
Yeah.
Is it under the weight?
Yeah.
The side?
Yeah.
Show it us.
Okay, this is where it gets interesting. The drone weight law. Under 250 grams? You're generally fine for recreational flying. Over that, you're stepping into registration and licensing territory. Viewers, drop a comment. Do you think police should have to learn this stuff before challenging people?
I've not had it up. I've not had it
Oh,
up.
you've not used
no.
it today?
So,
That's fine.
Are you planning to use it?
yeah.
You are?
But with a licence, I mean, you're halfway there.
Yeah.
If you've got a drone that's like a mini drone, which is below like 250 grams,
Oh, yeah.
then you don't actually need a licence.
Yeah.
You need to be competent, of course, and there's an online competency course and assessment.
Just to fly a drone?
Yeah. Well, it's you imagine they're quite relatively easier to come by now, and it's not like a driving licence, is it?
No,
but it's not like a driving test, but it's like a bit like when you do a theory driving test.
Oh, right, just
a bit like that.
For awareness.
I mean, if you fail it, I'd imagine you could retake it. I don't know. I'm probably, you could probably retake it if you fail, but it's not difficult. And that's what you do. But if you have a drone, like a larger drone, then over 250 grams or 250 grams and above, then you'd need to do a licence, which is straightforward anyway.
Yeah, like no-fly zones and things like that, isn't it? When it gets bigger. And...
Well, it's even here. There's certain flight restriction zones that you need to adhere to, obviously, because it's it's a criminal offence if you go into them deliberately. But here we're okay. We're okay here.
Okay.
You know.
Right.
All right then.
I'll leave you to it.
So yeah.
Right.
Okay.
PCSOs driving patrol cars. Not common everywhere. Even our auditor's surprised. You can almost hear his brain going, wait, they get cars now?
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah.
And Liv.
And it's 386.
38.
Liv and Sarah 8738. And you're both PCSOs then?
Yeah,
so you're going to you're going to apply, because don't you have to, sort of a lot of the, I mean, only what I know, a lot of the forces now, do they sort of make it a prerequisite, you have to become a PCSO before you become a police
You don't
officer?
have to.
No.
Some people do. Just depends.
And then are you part of the neighbourhood policing then?
Yes,
Yeah.
Safe neighbourhood.
In a car?
In the
Yeah.
car.
That don't sound right, that.
Yeah, I know.
Does it?
We park up and walk lots, but
Yeah.
sometimes if you've got one end here and one end here, it
Yeah.
takes all day just to get to
Oh
either
right,
end, and
yeah.
you get
So they
one
do,
job
yeah.
done,
So you got to do your little driving
You can
test
do
for your
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very simple.
standard. Is
Yeah.
it standard? Is it standard?
just a driving test.
Ah right, and that's why, because you've got a larger area. That's why you need a car.
Yeah.
Oh okay. Well look, nice chatting to you.
Nice
I am
to
going to
meet
be here for a little while, so if you get any more
Okay.
calls,
What's your name?
what?
Your first name? No. I was
I'm
gonna say.
alright.
Okay.
But I'll,
Mr. Drone Man.
Mr. Drone Man, but I'm here.
Okay.
I'm just up and down round here.
You're gonna
So
just stay local.
yeah, I'm
Okay.
local. I'm local today.
Okay.
And
Obviously, if anyone has a problem, we'll probably be back and come and say hi again. But
yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I am allowed though out here.
yeah. But some people get a bit funny if you go outside the front and say you're going to record.
Yeah, it's just reassuring them, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you
Okay.
have a chat with them. And
Yeah.
square
Yeah. Okay, lovely. Nice to meet you both.
No worries.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry, one more question for you. Is this going on some sort of YouTube channel?
What?
Just because I'm curious. Is it going on some sort of YouTube channel? Is that what you do?
Yeah, what I do, I put in
Sorry, I can't see anything.
I put in a sort of like put a narrative. If it's any good,
As in, like, you explaining what you're flying over?
well, yeah, explain the company and a bit of narrative. Yeah. Do you watch YouTube? Do you?
I do watch YouTube.
Do you?
Not these sorts of videos, I'm just
Oh.
curious.
Why don't you watch me?
What's it called? I've
What?
got my phone on me, otherwise I'll put it on now.
You can have a look. It's all very nice and it's not like aggressive or
No,
anything.
I'm sure it's not.
You know?
I'm just curious.
Yeah, pure audits.
Pure audits on YouTube.
Yeah, or anywhere. TikTok.
Oh, on TikTok as well.
Do you watch TikTok?
I sometimes watch TikTok.
TikTok.
Oh,
Have a
right.
look. Have a look at pure audits. Yeah.
Okay.
Is that to let your control room know, or your?
No, we're just being nosy.
Ah, right. Yeah. No. So what happens? I go round, and like people interested.
Do you normally do round here?
No.
No.
I do anywhere.
Oh. Just go out for the day and just...
Yeah. Go out for the day.
Is this like your job? Or you
No,
just-
hobby.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Alright then.
But yeah. Yeah. If you going to try it?
I'll have a look.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Yeah.
be nosy now.
What?
We're gonna be nosy and have a watch.
Yeah. Have a look. Yeah. Bye.
Take care.
They're looking me up now. Well, hopefully they'll enjoy the movies.
Like that, the calm before the storm. If you thought the officers were pushy, wait till you see what happens when the head of security gets involved. This next part? pure audit gold.
And they've gone. Now where was I? I think after that I'll go straight into Renault Trucks and introduce myself. They did say if they get any more calls, they will be back. Hello. I'm just out the front. I'm going to set up all my camera equipment and my drone. I'm going to put it all over.
Where are you from?
What?
You're going to put your camera away?
Put my movie. Doing my movie. Just on the company. Is this Volvo or Renault?
So you're doing anything about?
Sorry?
It's filming. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm going to set up all my camera equipment and then my drone and put it over out there.
Why?
What?
Have you been instructed to do that, or
Yeah.
by who?
Well, someone emailed me. They said get over here and spend 2-3 hours doing a video. So
Who
that's what
emailed you?
Well, the name doesn't correspond with the email address.
Have you got the email?
No.
I can't let you do anything without.
Oh, who are you?
I'm the facilities manager.
Oh, facilities. So you look after facilities?
I look after the building, yeah.
No, I'm only going to be out there.
Yeah, I know, but unless you've got an email to prove that
Right.
someone's instructed you to do
Yeah.
that, then you can't do that.
Right. Well, I've come a long way on my bike.
Okay.
So I'm only going to be 2-3 hours.
But if you've not
Yeah.
received permission,
Yeah.
then you can't do that.
No, but I'll only be. The drone.
So Georgia, you know what? We've got people like that going from side to side.
Yeah.
Just trying to make, just create a scene.
Who's asked for it?
I think I've got email for people like that. So what they do is that they go from premises to premises.
Yeah.
Trying to create some impressions to put on YouTube and that.
Right.
So I don't
Right.
want to get involved in it.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just go out there, and I'll be left.
Because I got email from my team
Yeah.
telling me that people go around doing that.
Right. Do you want to see if
Right.
Mark Draper's here? Mark Draper, the health and safety guy. Just bear with me. Just wait there 1 second.
Yeah. So you got the email. You've got my email.
No, I've got no email.
What I'll do, I'll be outside and I'll just go out, keep out the way, okay? Do you hear me? Okay. Well, I think that is a joint building between Volvo and the Renault Trucks, and they share the reception, because when I went in there it said Volvo. So what we'll do, we'll come out here next to these lovely trees. Are they called coffee trees? I don't know. And set the drone up. Oh, there's someone coming out, 3 of them coming out now. Hello.
I'm Mike Draper.
Hi, Mike.
I'm head of security
Hi.
function for the company.
He's had an email. I overheard him saying he's had the email
No, I'm not going
for me to come today
No?
and do some
We've
moving.
had no notifications of you arriving today.
Well,
So
I've had the email. I'm only going to be out here.
who are you working
doing-
for?
Well, I don't know because the
Have you got the
person.
email with you?
Well, it might. It's probably not on my phone because I've deleted it now. But I had.
If you can't
Yeah.
show me who you
Yeah.
are and what you're here to do,
Yeah.
then I can't allow you to proceed.
Oh no, I can tell you what I'm doing.
No, I know you're going to tell me something.
Oh right, yeah.
But you have to show me who you are
Right,
and what you're here to do, and you
Right.
need something which shows me that.
right. Well, I've
And we
got.
haven't got anything, and you haven't got anything.
Right, I've got
so I can't allow you to
Right.
proceed.
And I've got drone details and documentation.
No, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
We would need to see all of that as
Right,
well, but
okay.
we need something
Yeah,
from whoever it is that's instructed
Yeah,
this
yeah.
to say what it is that is going to be done.
Here's where the misunderstanding hits peak level. The security officer keeps demanding authorization. But under UK drone law, you only need to follow Civil Aviation Authority rules, not private site permission when flying from public land. He's basically enforcing laws that don't exist.
And
right,
for what purpose? Because we can't allow you to just,
right.
we can't allow just anybody to come up and start videoing
Yeah,
staff, the site, or anything like
Yeah.
that with no information. It doesn't matter. I know you've got qualifications
Yeah.
and all that kind
Yeah.
of thing, but that doesn't matter. I can't allow you to proceed without us having something
yeah.
which explains who you are and what you're here to do.
Yeah, but I've been asked to come and have a
Yeah,
look
well,
on,
you
on
need to-
above it.
Yeah, you need
The
to go
building.
back to whoever it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
that asked you to do that
Yeah.
and tell them they need to let us know.
Yeah, but they let me know and they asked
No,
me
that's
to
not
come.
good. That's not enough.
Right.
You could be anybody.
Well, no, I'm doing my photography.
No, but we
yeah,
need something.
I don't understand.
Well, we live in strange times.
Yeah.
There's a whole security piece here. We have all of our colleagues inside
Yeah.
the building.
Yeah.
Some of whom will be outside the building and walking
Yeah.
around.
Yeah.
We can't allow you to film them
Oh no, I'm not.
without
Yeah.
us knowing
Yeah.
for what purpose you're filming them, and without us having told people that this might be something that happens to them.
Well, what I did come in and let your guy know
No,
and
that's
say, look,
no, we need advance notice. So
Yeah.
we don't, if,
But I'm out
if
here.
the window cleaner turns
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
then they have to tell us. No, but I can't
Well,
allow you to operate the drone
it's
in a
drone.
public space
Yeah. Oh right.
because that's not actually legal.
Oh, isn't it?
You can't fly a drone over the road.
What road? That road.
That road or the footpath.
Oh right.
So you'd have to be on our property to be able to fly the drone, and
Right.
I'd need to see that you have
Well,
the right.
your property's here, isn't it? Where
It
the
doesn't matter where my property
Doesn't it?
starts. I can't allow
Yeah.
you to do this.
yeah.
It's illegal to do it on the highway, and I
Right.
can't let you do it on our ground because I don't
Yeah.
know who you are,
Right.
or why you're here, or who sent you.
Yeah, but I had the email. But the email.
But you're not providing me with a copy of it. You're not letting me see it. You can't explain it.
I will
yourself.
explain it. What happened? Someone emailed me and said,
Yeah, who?
"Can you come down?" Well, when I looked at the email that arrived, the name, it wasn't like John Smith at AOL.com. It was a mixture of numbers and letters and.
Well, in that case, that's
Right.
not one of.
Oh, but it was an email address because it arrived from that numbers and letters email
but there's
address.
I get emails from Africa about
Right.
the millions that are locked up in a bank account that come from random email addresses
Oh, yeah.
as well, and they're spoof emails, mate.
Right, oh right. Yeah, but this one said get down here 2-3 hours and take some footage.
Yeah, but that wouldn't be from one of my colleagues inside the building.
Well, we don't know
So,
that.
like I say, my name's Mike Draper.
Yeah.
My email address is mike.draper@volvo.com.
Yeah.
And all of my colleagues in here that might
Yeah.
have requested your attendance,
Yeah.
they have a similar email address.
Well, this
So-
one didn't have Volvo in it. It was numbers and letters.
Well, in that case, nobody from this organisation has requested
Yeah.
your services.
It was a Gmail address.
Yeah, no, we wouldn't. Yes, I think you've been sent on a wild goose chase, mate.
Yeah.
You don't have our permission to do any filming, and we need you to leave.
Leave where?
Sorry, well, go
Yeah.
home.
Oh, right.
But you don't
Yeah.
have permission to do any filming.
But,
And if
Yeah.
you start filming,
Yeah.
then I'll have to take action.
right. But I've got my drone all here, and I've got my,
Yeah,
my
I'm
cameras
sorry,
all in
sorry.
here. Look,
Yeah.
look.
Yeah, no,
All my
I'm sorry,
cameras
but I
got to
can't
set up.
allow you to do any filming. You're not able to show me that you've got an authorisation or there's a valid request from anybody that might work for Volvo or Renault. You've not been able to demonstrate that. This isn't legitimate as far as I can see, and I have a responsibility to everybody on this site.
Right.
So I'm politely asking you to leave.
Leave
politely
where?
asking you to go home, or go back to wherever it is that you leave the site.
The footpath.
And do not.
But this is the footpath I'm on.
But you are not allowed to film. You're not allowed to use the drones.
But I was going to put the drone up.
Interesting claim. Illegal to fly over the highway. Not exactly. The CAA rules say, stay clear of crowds, stay within line of sight, and don't endanger anyone. Flying over a quiet road isn't automatically illegal. What do you think? Genuine safety concern or fear of being filmed?
No, you're not going to do that. If you put a drone up, then we'll have to call the police
because
that's illegal.
Yeah, but it's wafer thin drone. It's a tiny drone.
It doesn't matter how big it is. You can't fly them in a public space.
Right. No, I'm allowed. I'm allowed to lift up the drone, aren't I?
No. You're not allowed to fly a drone over the road.
Right.
That's illegal.
What, this road or that road, the main road?
Yeah,
any road.
Any road. You're not allowed to fly a drone over a road.
Yeah, but you haven't seen the drone.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what kind of drone it is.
Yeah.
When the battery dies and it drops out of the sky for any particular reason, it could cause a car accident. You're not allowed to fly a drone over the highway.
Right.
Full stop. This is the UK. That's the law.
Right.
Now there are situations you can fly them in a public space, but you need a lot of advanced notification and a lot of qualifications. Look, I'm going to ask you again politely to leave. If you can come back and prove who it is that's requested this survey to be done or this footage to be taken, then we can look at that and we can look at your qualifications and we can look at your drone. I don't need to see that now, but you need to come back and prove who it is that's instructed you and what they've instructed you to do.
I've got an app though. And
I'm not interested in that.
Yeah, but the app tells me the drone and where I can fly it.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
I'm
not interested in that. What I'm telling you is really straightforward. I'm asking you to politely leave. If you don't leave, then we'll have to take further action.
Yeah. What, leave the area?
Yes. Go home. Or go back to your workplace or wherever it is that you came from. But I'm asking you politely to leave.
Yeah, I don't understand because I'm here on a footpath, and you're telling me go, leave the vicinity of the.
Yeah, I'm asking you. You don't have our permission to be here.
Right.
You certainly don't have our permission, and you don't have our permission to do any filming.
As soon as I'm allowed to put my drone and do my photography, I don't think you understand.
You don't think he's quite grasping the situation, do you, Shadrach?
Let me speak to you.
Okay, well I'm going to thank you for your time. I'm going to set up my drone, and because
if you fly it over this property, then we will be calling
the problem
police.
is I can't get unless you let me have a ladder and I can have a look on the roof. I can't do it with a ladder, can I?
You cannot fly your drone over this property.
Why not? I don't understand.
Because I am telling you, you are not. I'm not giving you authorization to do that.
Yeah, it's going to make a lovely video.
I don't care what it's going to do.
You know.
You do not have my permission.
I was going to do a nice narrative.
As the head of security for this site, you do not have my permission to fly your drone over this site.
But I've got an app and it tells me I'm okay. I'm going to crack on. I'm going to crack on and do it. I think is that the concierge or he's actually educating him. He's actually educating the head of security, which is interesting, isn't it? Well, I think we'll get the drone up. We've checked drone assist. We are not in a flight restriction zone. And he's walking off now. Hopefully, he will tell him, look, there's nothing you can do. Well, let's get a bird's eye view of Volvo stroke Renault trucks.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
That's where I am, on the public highway. However, I am gonna walk across to this side because I'll get a much better angle of the building. Well, that's where they came out, down there, just the other side of that tree. He was quite adamant, wasn't he, that what I was doing was illegal, flying over a road. He talked about that if it comes down, it would cause an accident. So there's the Volvo part, Volvo trucks and buses. And then if I come back again, on that side, it's got Renault trucks. So we'll just go a little bit higher, and so we can have a look over the yard. And they have got buses there, haven't they? At least one bus. And is that like something they take on open days maybe? I don't know. Looks more like a display truck, doesn't it? And then they've got a number of other trucks there. Then there they've got like a smaller area in there with some garden seating area. Looks very nice, doesn't it? Right in the middle of the site.
And that right there sums up another clash between policy versus law. The takeaway? Always know your drone rights, stay calm, and film everything. Because in moments like these, your footage is your best defense. What side are you on? The auditors or the companies? Let me know below.
Hello?
You know you're trespassing. Could you please leave the premises?
Sorry?
Could you please leave the premises?
I can't hear you. Sorry.
Could you please leave the premises?
What premises?
Here.
No, I'm on. This is the footpath here.
You know that's a private building, and you're flying your drone.
Oh, you're saying the drone's over the building?
Yes, please.
Yeah, but the drone is fine. Right. Well, you're saying I'm trespassing with the drone. That's a new one.